Registration of collection sources and measuring points, special. Manual input measuring point means a measuring point to manually register a measured value such as measuring point of offline. Click the Register Manual Input Measuring Point button. Input each item manually or select it from the pull-down menu. Click the Register button to register. Calculation measuring point means a measuring point to perform 4 arithmetic operations and calculate measuring points with each other. Click the Register Calculation Measuring Point button. Input each item manually or select it from the pull-down menu. Click the Register button to register. Product type time period measuring point means a measuring point to measure energy consumption only while a specific product is manufactured at the equipment where various products are manufactured. Click the Register Product Type Time Period Measuring Point button. Input each item manually or select it from the pull-down menu. Click the Register button to register. Specific consumption measuring point means a measuring point to calculate energy consumption per product using energy consumption in the equipment and the product manufacturing volume. Click the Register Specific Consumption Measuring Point button. Input each item manually or select it from the pull-down menu. Click the Register button to register. Setup of measuring point groups. From the Measuring Point Group Setting button, the measuring point group settings will be executed. When measuring points are allocated on the graph window or report window, it is possible to display the registered measuring point group in the list. To save the settings for measuring point group, click the Save button.